Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. Did you know that the Boeing 777 can start its engine with just a flip of a switch? No, wait, actually two switches. Engine start switch to start, and then the second, the fuel control switch to run. It's just that simple. Now you can scroll on to the next video. But wait, if you want to know more about the system, then hang on, because I'm going to tell you about the auto start system and also a little about the manual start. So now, when you put the start switch to start, the air starter valve opens up and begins dry motoring the engine. Now this air for the starter motor is coming from the APU, but if the APU is not available, you have a ground card that can supply air for the starter motor as well. Second, now when you move the fuel control switch to run, it opens the spar fuel valve. At this time, no fuel is sent to the engine. Auto start system controls the sequencing of both the fuel and the ignition. When the N2 RPM reaches an appropriate level, we have a component called EEC. This opens the engine fuel valve and then energizes the igniters as well. So now you have fuel and fire to start the engine. When the N2 RPM reaches the idle RPM, the same EEC commands the starter cutout and the start selector releases to the normal position. During engine start, if you've noticed, there is a red maximum start limit line. Now this remains displayed throughout when the engine is started. It only goes away when the engines are stabilized. Now I bet you didn't know about the next part for sure. You know, so many things happen when the engines are started, and auto start system takes care of it. It takes care of hot start, hung start, no EGT rise, compressor stall, starter shaft failure, no N1 rotation, if there is insufficient air pressure for starter operation, start time exceeds the starter duty cycle timer, oil pressure of 10 psr or less. The only thing that auto start does not take care of is it monitors the oil temperature. Now imagine you are starting the engine manually. There are so many things the pilot will have to monitor till the engines are stabilized. Drop in your comments, let me know what you will do. On a good day, would you like to disengage the auto start system and start the engines manually, or you'd be happy using the auto start system? I hope by this now you've already clicked like on this video if you already have done that. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe for more such Boeing 777 videos. And this is your captain. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.